Okay, today we're starting to fit our sides. Gotta clean that up a little bit before we weld that in. But all this is some bed frame. And that's gonna be where our grill rides, and the centerpiece is gonna be removable. So we're gonna tack this to the frame because we got it back on center. Okay, we checking our level. Okay, we got the frame in. We tacked the barrel to the cart. I'm gonna make a centerpiece that's removable because you know, when you want to get in there with your grill, but the grill's gonna ride on top of this frame, and that's about it. On to the next. Here's that center bracket I was talking about. You can just take it out when you need to, and the rest of the time it's just gonna sit right there. Let's get with it. Laying out the grill, it's gonna be 33 by 22. I believe, yep, 33 by 22. Alrighty, the grill is in. The fire box is in the back, in the scrap pile. It's the lid off the old barbecue pit. A little doing this and that, and this thing will be finished, ready to put some paint on it and then cook. Okay, I put the lid from our old charbroiler, however you pronounce it, barbecue pit in there. See, I cut a hole so it can vent from the bottom hole, vent straight through into there. Don't have no heat on your charcoal. Got holes drilled in the bottom to keep it from burning through. Put the centerpiece in. Put the grill in. Voila. Barbecue pit. I actually got $40 in it now. I bought 2 cans of spray paint. But I'm not going to paint it till after I burn it a few times. One barbecue pit with a liner, ready to burn in. As you burn it in, you paint cooking oil on that grill with a paintbrush, like so. Help season all that.
making our financing for 60 months.